Hi, John. I'm going to show you how you're going to work on this. The email that I sent you on the project 3, something like that, you can find a zip file called investor species frontend.zip. Download it and make sure your web ratio is updated. Like if you're not sure, you can go to check the right corner. If your web ratio is not the current one, it will say update, something like that. Unzip the file. Nice. Unzip the file. You can unzip the file to the workspace. Like I can show you again. I don't know where's your workspace, but you should know where's your web ratio. After you open your web ratio, and you can see a workspace here, and then you can copy, I'll cut and paste to here. I put it in my desktop because I don't want to influence you. Because if I put it in the workspace, it's not going to show up. So after that, you can go to your web ratio, file, import. Under the general, you should see existing project into workspace, select it, click next, browse. And then if you extract it in your workspace, it should automatically open it. Like it should be something like this. So you can just click it and then just click OK, and then you will see two new file that is checked. Like I'm going to show you later. Like in this case, I put it in my desktop. You can see investor species. I click OK, and then because this thing is already in my thing, so I couldn't select it. Normally, you see this because they already exist in the workspace. So you shouldn't have this. So it should be checked. In your cases, these things should be checked. You will see a check mark here, and then you just click finish. If you put it in your workspace, you don't need to select the front end or the back end individually. You just need to this is stuff. You go back to uh, rep ratio. Rep ratio. All you need to do is just select your workspace. After you extract the two file in your workspace, you just select the workspace, click OK, and then it will show all the file, all the project that in your workspace. And then you should see two new projects called Investor Species and Investor Species Frontend, and they should be checked. In right here, they are unchecked, but in your cases, it should be checked. And then you probably see next or finish. Doesn't matter. Just click whatever it has, and then after that, you will go back to this screen, but these two files is empty, like they are not show up. You have to do it again. Open file, go to your workspace again. Go to your workspace, and then open it. Click model.wr. You can just open file like this before you import the project. If you do this, like before you import the project, it's going to show you error. You have to import the project first and then open file. And then we will open the investor species. In this case, this is the backend. Actually, you don't have to do the backend. You just need to open the front end. This is the front end. And then right here, you make sure you select the front end, like the color is different. And then click generate and run. and then you will see on the right corner it will say generate mobile application, and then your Google Chrome. If it should be your Google Chrome because Right Ratio only work on Google Chrome, will be pop up, and it should have the it's popping up. You have an app dashboard. Open it, and then you normally you will see the app, and then you just what you need to do is like use our I have got one, or you can Google whatever investor spaces, and then enter right here. You can like in the investor spaces. I mean in the I have got one. And when you click on it, you should see the common names on the you can in the scientific names in I have got one. You need to tap the right top corner. You will see a scientific name, and then you just input the pictures location. You don't have to input the location, but with the location is better. But if you couldn't figure out a location, just like a commons is fine. Like I can show you how this works. Like text. You don't have to like text, and then here's the business detail. You can edit it, delete it. The map will based on the location, so it's better to have a location. And then you will see here the ghost search is working. You just need to type in let me see, like go back to home, like I need another one called two. Just give the name two. Just go search two. You see this? It's gonna show you two. I think that there is the problem. Like it couldn't. You have to like before you have to like this is the issue, like because even though you click home, it couldn't erase the ghost structure. The login is not working because the database the thing. So what you need to do is just keep adding the spaces. At least fill in this screen, fulfill the screen, and maybe like scroll down is better, but whatever. Like just make this pretty. That's it. You don't even need to try the ghost search, but with the ghost search, it's better. I because this thing is just like the warm up. It shouldn't be hard if you did the warm up. That's it.